Hello, this is Scott Toller with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Chevy Equinox, and I'm here to share some of the great incentives that we have going on until the end of this month. We're looking at an LT Equinox. This is all-wheel drive and equipped with the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. Up until the end of this month, we've got 0% financing available for up to 60 months and $250 in down payment assistance when financed through GM Financial. Or you have the option to forego the financing special and take advantage of $3,000 in cash back from GM. And this is on the LT model Equinox only. We can check out some of the options that you could have available to you on the LT, such as this nice sunroof with the panoramic views. Here's what the interior is going to look like. We'll also have your heated seats. And of course your Chevy MyLink radio, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you have any questions about the Equinox or the specials that we have through the end of the month, please get in touch with our sales department at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. You can also check out all of our new and pre-owned inventory online at applechevy.com. Thank you very much.